This is a tutorial on how to use Ecat.Media so you can publish data on the BSV blockchain. Before you start, make sure you are logged into a money button and have a little bit of BSV in your wallet. Use the link Beta.Ecat.Media to access the web app. Click sign up and choose your username and password. Make sure you write down your username and password because that's where all your files will be kept. For the purpose of this tutorial, I already have an account. New ecat user. Once you've logged in, you'll see that at the top it says where your wallet, the blue navbar is. It says not logged in yet. This is where you'll see your wallet info. The second one is where you'll back up your keys. Right now you haven't generated a wallet or your RSA keys, so you won't see those functions. If you click on home, it'll take you to the landing page, and then you'll see a logout and profile button. Click on profile, you're back into your profile. If you click on wallet, as you'll see that your RSA key is not generated yet. If you click on upload, say your account is not set up. If you go on profile, this is where all your files will be kept. Right now we didn't upload anything, so there's no files. So let's go back to our wallet and generate a new wallet. So just watch what happens up here when you click generate wallet, generate new wallet, start. Once you generate a wallet, this navbar will change, and then it'll show you that your balance, your unconfirmed balance, your UTXOs. Right now we don't have a valid RSA and our account is not fully set up yet. This toggle button is basically to refresh our wallet. It talks to the Bit.Index API. You can turn it on and off, so we aren't making too many calls to that API. So let's generate our RSA key just by clicking here. Once you do that, boom, your account is set up. You have a valid RSA, and now you can click backup to back up your keys. So once your keys are backed up, you can see the file right here. So let's log out of this wallet and use our backup to log back in. So log out. So now we'll go to restore wallet, browse, and we'll go to our downloads and backup key 9, restore. Please wait until your wallet is restored. Our wallet is restored. If we go to show mnemonic private key, boom, our mnemonic and private key is there. We can refresh this page. I don't know why it's still saying backup. This is probably a bug, but yeah, if you back it up again, it'll be gone. It's the same key. So now when we go to upload, we can't really upload anything because we have no funds in our wallet. So we want to upload 3 megabytes of data. We can click submit, and then you'll get a money button swipe right here. Once you swipe the button, your wallet will get funded. The wallet automatically splits the UTXOs, so you can upload 100 kilobytes of data per op return transaction. It does this on its own. So now, as you can see, there's 35 UTXOs. We have an unconfirmed balance. So over here, you can see all the UTXOs being split. And then now we see our unconfirmed balance. So now we'll just wait for this balance to confirm so we can upload a file. BRB. So we're back. We have a confirmed balance of 0.033 BSV, 35 UTXOs, and we're ready to upload. Over here you can see that our chunks have been split up and we have 2 confirmations. So now when we go to upload, we'll just click upload and we'll add a file. So for right now, let's upload an encrypted HTML file. So we'll go on blogs and templates 2. We have this index file, and then all you have to do is click process. Once you click process, your file will be ready to upload. For now, there have been a couple bugs uploading multiple files at once, so we recommend that you upload one file at a time. After it's been confirmed. Wait one before uploading the next file. The reason for that is we don't want people to lose their funds. However, we do have a feature where let's say you're uploading a file and it gets left off at a certain transaction, it'll just continue from there, so you don't end up losing your funds. So let's go start upload, and our encrypted HTML file has been uploaded onto the BSV blockchain, or the real Bitcoin. So now we go to profile, and boom, your index.html file is there. Over here, if you click on this live toggle button, it's just to refresh your wallet. So once you refresh it, you'll see that we have an unconfirmed balance, and that unconfirmed balance is for this file. This file is about 16 kilobytes. So when we go to the details, we'll see that there is a linker hash, and then if you want to view the file, you have to create a token. So when you go to manage tokens, it'll take you to the file page, and then over here you'll see a section for access tokens, and then you can click new. So once you click on new, you can select normal. Eventually you will have different token types, so there will be like paywall tokens, pay-per-stream tokens, pay-per-download tokens, pay-per-view, anything you can really think of. You can construct a dynamic token around it. So we'll just create a normal token for now. For now, in the beta version, we've only allowed 10 tokens per file, and basically each token can be viewed once or 10 times if we do this. So we'll click generate, and then boom, we'll get our token. So when we go on copy link, it still hasn't confirmed yet, but the way we designed Ecat is that you can view a file without it confirming. So, oh, it says not confirmed yet. So I guess it hasn't propagated to all the miners yet, or all the nodes. So we'll just wait a bit, and then we'll come back. Okay, so we're back again. For some reason, this link didn't work before confirmation. Usually most uploaded data will work without a confirm, but now it's confirmed. As you can see, our balance is updated. This is our linker hash. We can take this and go on what's on chain and search for it. So when we go search for it, all we'll see, this is encrypted data, so you can't decode it. You'll just get a bunch of strings and letters and can't see the data. The unencrypted version, you still can't use what's on chain or Beta.Media to view that data, because we use a different reader. But once what's on chain and Beta.Media use our reader, they'll be able to read the unencrypted data. So here we can go copy link and test the link, and boom, here we have a bootstrap page on BSV, which is tokenized and encrypted. So no one can basically after if they don't have a token to access it, they can't see it. So after this token expires, if we see how many times it's been used twice. So if I just refresh this, and you'll see that the token gets used again. If I create a new token and I just say that, hey, I just want someone to see this information only once and never see it again. So this would be good for like IDs, stuff like that. You can just go and boom, you see it. And then if you go click refresh, the token is invalid. So basically we've created a way where people can encrypt data, put it on BSV, and then create tokenized access to it. So for now, this is beta software. You can lose your funds if the upload isn't done correctly, but we've obviously put in features where to resume uploads for files. So let's try to upload a unencrypted file. So let's go to images. We'll put up some album art. We don't want this encrypted. It's not that valuable. Anyone could see it. Um, and then we can just click on Start Upload. So when we click Start Upload, boom, it's done. We go to Profile, we see the image, we go to Details, Manage Tokens, New, Normal. Eventually, you'll be able to have like an infinite token. So like if you're building things, everything just connects, and you don't have to worry about your tokens running out. And we'll also be publishing how people can create their own tokens. So let's go view this picture, and it's available without a confirm. So I guess the web page took longer to propagate across the nodes, and this one was done right away. So yeah, that's Ecat.Media for you. Hopefully, you guys can see the benefit in a technology like this. And follow us on Twitter at Ecat.Media, and read our blog at Ecatmedia.github.io. You can also read our blog on Medium. If you have any questions, you can send us an email at ecat.media@protonmail.com. Thanks for listening to our tutorial. Until next time.